Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode, just showing you the unboxing of my hotspot Alcatel Link Zone Modem router. So it is one of those 4G LTE modem. So I already opened the box. Let's just get the stuffs that are in there. So here is the little USB card that you would use to attach to a charger or to a laptop to get it some power. And also here, this is the back of it, of course. Then because it actually comes open there for you. So this is the device itself. So let's see what are the different sections on the device. At the front there, this section there, this is the power button right there. Press it, turn it on and off. As you can see, plastic there showing you the signal strength. This one here show you if it is connected to a wireless device. As you can see, the Alcatel label right there. Around the back, let's see what's going on the back. This is the battery for it, and then of course it comes with the SIM card section, also a microchip section. So this is the SIM card section there. Of course I will be setting it up, see how it actually works. This one actually purchase it to resell it, but of course I'm gonna actually test it and see how it basically works. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do not click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.